Mimu is exploring his surroundings. He's so cute, oh my god. He just walks around, explores, and then comes by. And usually goes to sleep right there, yeah. I'm that close to the beach, like always. Not gonna be far away from the beach. Although, in this beach I can go into. Usually I stop in places where you cannot go into the beach because it's just better because there's less traffic of people passing around. But this time I decided to just stick where the action is. Right there, I'm gonna go to swim later. And there's a pretty nice swamp next to the beach. Ouch! See, that's the beach, and that's the swamp.
She said, lad, Billy boy, are you breathe me? Oh me, yes, you couldn't me, then is who? You get your belly from the one yellow man. She started to cry and go down on her knee. The girl is so wicked till she say to me, memory don't live like people do. They always stay with you. Oh, whether good or bad. You sick or you sad, man, you love me, love your
Okay. Even though the place that I'm staying is really beautiful, it does has its flaws. As you can see, there is a lot of contamination in here. Look who's there, just here. But there's a lot of things. Look at that. Somebody ought to do something about that, right?
Every young girl have to run come at me and class them hand and go down on them knee. I say, Billy boy, will you please stay with me? I there with Michelle and Donna and Maggie. I control Sandra Pat and Chia. I may control the passe. Let me to love me control the passe.
So I had a little fun with this area. It's now much better. I didn't go in really deep with the cleaner, but it's not as contaminated as it used to be. Now I can film and I don't feel like I'm staying in a dump. I also got all around the swamp as much as I could over there. Let's go take a look. He must be hanging around and he's loving me.
Yellow man named Mr. Sexy, inspiring partner that a little array one. DJ Daddy, me a DJ Daddy, hey. DJ Daddy, me a DJ Daddy. Billy boy, oh, you do it sweet, you see. Breathe me, Billy boy, you breathe me. Breathe me, Billy boy, you breathe me. I'm saying, show me breathe you, and you're at me now. I'm tired, I mind it. I'm just so tired and can't mind it. Well, pound some beans and peas in the tire around the backyard and around the fence. Well, let me tell you, don't throw it all away. Because I don't want to tell you.
That's the van, that's where I parked today. Look at this. There's nobody anywhere except for that car. Look at that asshole move. This is a camper with the open doors, and that's where he decided to park. Yeah. It's fucking asshole. Hey guys, just working here on some new sticker packs. See if you like it. I need to add something else to this guy. Add some suggestion to some stickers that you would like to buy, and I will record them, and I will draw them and record them while I'm drawing them, and then when I'm done I will release a sticker pack with all the designs that I'm working on.
Billy boy, like something rolling. Nice to see.
This is the finished design. Wanted to give him like a creepy smile, like the one at the beginning of the Rocky Horror Picture Show. And cool sunglasses. I say, Billy boy, why you don't become a also, Christian, me
I
think I'm going to slowly going to put some really wild neon color on
Billy boy, let me sing this song. Oh Lord, it has to be humble, has to be perfect in every way. I can't stay to look in my mirror. I get sexy every day. Girls to know me, it's to love me. I must be a hell of a man. Oh Lord, it has to be humble. Come here, the shortest day upon the land now. After me left me girlfriend in a England city, me take a little trip and go to Germany. When I come back, I sight her with her belly. I say, Rosie, where you get the belly? She said, lad, Billy boy, how you breed me? Oh me, yes, you couldn't me, then is who? You get your belly from the one yellow man. She started to cry and go down on her knee. The girl is so wicked till she say to me, memory don't live like people do. They always stay with you. Oh, whether good or bad, you sick or you sad, man, you lost the love you had. My God, come me say in a 81 them never recognize me. But 82 and 83, I left from Jamaica and go to Miami. I come
Still walking, and there are still shops going. There's more than 50. There's like 100 shops just in this place. And last night around 9:30, everything started shutting down and closing. So so at that point everybody left and I was alone in that place where I stayed. It was pretty tranquil. I mean, besides the music that was like from 7 throughout the day is sporadic, and then at 7 the music kicked in and it was a little bit louder, but since I was farther away, it was not as much as a bothersome because it's music. So
DJ Daddy, me a DJ Daddy, go on. Reggae Daddy, me a Reggae Daddy. Cause some say Billy boy,
yeah, look at this whole area. I think it's part of this restaurant. That is a natural nice restaurant. It has those aquariums with lobsters in them that you can pick which one will be sacrificed in your honor. So that's a nice thing. I mean,
you want culture, check with the DJ. It's higher Billy boy at your mic MC. The one yellow man named Mr. Sexy. Sparring partner that a little array. One DJ Daddy, me a DJ Daddy. Hey, DJ Daddy, me a DJ Daddy. Billy boy, you do sweet, you see. Breathe me, Billy boy, you breathe me. Breathe me, Billy boy, you breathe me. I'm just so my breathe you, and you're at one. I'm tired, I don't mind it. I'm just so tired, I can't mind it. Well, found some decent peas in the tire around the back
Well,
and around the fence.
that's it. If you want me to draw some other kind of stickers, just let me know on the comments and I will do my best to fulfill all your sticker needs. That's it.